Here are some quick tips to troubleshoot your refrigerator if it isn't cooling properly. Check to see if demo mode is activated on the refrigerator. You will want to turn this off if the control panel display shows OFF. To deactivate demo mode, press the alarm and Fahrenheit Celsius button together for 3 seconds. Wait for the sound to beep and the OFF to clear from the display. Make sure the doors are closed and sealed properly. The mullion flipper on the door needs to be in the perpendicular position to the door instead of parallel, or the door will not close properly. Make sure the freezer drawer is not in the wrong position and reset its position if necessary. Make sure food isn't blocking the air duct outlet. It is recommended to leave at least 2 inches of clearance at the back of the refrigerator and 1/2 inch at the top and sides. If the aforementioned suggestions do not help resolve the refrigerator's ability to cool properly, please contact Hisense support.